course. Leave it to Chrysler to make something that doesn't work. All right, do the brakes work? Can you stop? Okay, all right. Just making sure. He can't hear me. Can't hear me one bit. Not going well. Nope. It's burnt. But it's not as burnt as the shipping crate. What? I hate this. I fucking hate this. The shipping crate's battery wiring is loose. Don't you just love it when your shipping crate comes with wheels? Hopefully it all fits. Hopefully everything is working. The brake only works on the left-hand side of that, and I can see me going down the ramp and friggin' flipping it, so that's not happening. Okay, so we got the Cummins, 8,000 pounds with the lift and everything, the wheels, it could be like approaching 9, who knows. So 9,000 pounds, that there is estimated to be like 13, 14, I'd say 13, so 22,000 pounds, and that's conservative, because that's supposed to be pretty heavy. The trailer itself, 10,500 pounds, so we are approaching 33,000 pounds on a conservative scale. So this thing here is fully loaded. Yes, it is legal. Is it legal? It's loaded properly. It's probably overweight somehow. But this is going to be this is like good old times. This is going over 12%. It's going up and down a couple big ones. One of the biggest ones, the biggest one in this province, on this island, the backhoe, is going to Harbour Breton. That is at the south of Newfoundland. It's on the south coast. It's 3 hours, 2 or 3 hours, 2.5 hours south of Grand Falls, Windsor. And then the Cummins is going all the way to St. John's, so she'll be with us for a little bit. All right, gonna get that all chained and strapped down. Get on the go. So that's it. That's tied down. All the corners, straps on its back. Front wheels strapped down. Actually, I forgot that's even legal. It's pretty cool. This is going to be a parachute of a load. This is going to be terrible. That's fine. All right, looking good. The truck's not even squatting that much. Oh, this is going to be a rough ride. All right, she's working a bit. Yep, this is a load. This is definitely a load. Alright, it's going to be interesting going up Southeastern, that big 12%. It is going to be very interesting. Alright, let's get it, see what she got. This is the main highway now. $3,000. So I'm keeping her at 20 pounds boost. Don't really want to go full throttle all the time because that can't be good. And she's pulling it. She's pulling it real well. Okay, we're up to 45 miles an hour now, 70 kilometers an hour. Alright, here we go. Here comes Southeastern. Alright, we're gonna get on her. Watch that boost gauge go up. God, I love this hill. Woo-hoo-hoo. I've been looking forward to this one. It's been a while since I hauled heavy up this hill. Oh yeah, you can hear the drivetrain just humming away. Not sure if that's a good thing or not. Alright, we're into it now. Oh, this is gonna be bad. We're down to 4th. Oh, we are gonna get slaughtered going up this hill. Okay, 3rd gear. We're not doing good. This is not, I expected better. Truck is shaking now. That's always good, isn't it? It's always fun. Alright, you hear that shuddering? Down in a second now. See what the transmission temperature is. Let's look at the transmission. 96. Which isn't bad at all. Beautiful scenery though while you ruin your transmission. So we are going around the turn. Yes, this is the worst one, but after this there is a second hill and it's just as bad because you can never get any speed going up to it. Alright, you gotta stay on the throttle here. I'm gonna try and get some speed up for the second part. These are steep hills, so yeah, these are 12%. Third gear here, holding 3rd gear. Let's check out the temperatures. So oil temperature 120 degrees. Yeah, that cannot be good. When does that start breaking down? Transmission temp 105. Absolutely nothing to it for the transmission. Now we gotta go down. Alright, so we're gonna roll her back now to, say we're gonna start this at 30. Just to see what the engine brake can do. The engine brake, once again, like I don't think this truck is like it was when it was new. The engine brake is not like it used to be. Holy crap, can you guys see that? Yeah. Alright, so we're in 2nd gear now. That's pretty much the best I can do, 2nd gear right now. It's again, beautiful scenery, but holy crap. Alright, so I'm gonna stay off the brakes now, no more brakes. We're just gonna let her coast down. Yeah, this is sketchy. It's always sketchy. Okay, now the steep part. So we're doing 2nd gear. There she goes. Gonna let her climb to 3,500. Get on the brakes a bit. Shift up. We're still only doing 60 kilometers an hour. That's like 35 miles an hour, so it's not that big of a deal. And the engine brake is holding us. Not for long though. This is just like a roller coaster, a very unpleasant roller coaster. Alright, so we're gonna get back on the brakes now. Shift up. Okay, we're almost done now. We're almost to the bottom. We are now going 55 miles an hour. This is 90 kilometers an hour. And that's it. This is the last turn before the straightaway. I think that's the most detailed run up and down that hill I've ever given. So that was no trailer brakes, just a few light, truck brake applications. I mean, the rest was the engine brake, and yeah, we pushed it pretty far. I always did. I can't speak to when this truck's gonna blow up, but I've always ran the engine brake pretty hard. I just let her wind out. All right, well, that's it. The sun's going down now. We're getting close to Deer Lake. God, that's rough. I'll probably film something at Deer Lake, and then we're gonna head to Harbor Breton. So Harbor Breton, we get to Grand Falls, Windsor, and then I'm gonna take the Cummins off the trailer because it's a 2.5 hour drive one way. So it's just gonna be a waste of fuel and just wear and tear on everything for nothing. So I'm gonna take that off, especially because it's got to come off anyways when I get there to get the backhoe off. So just as well move it all. Stick around, I guess. Stay tuned. Next day, I look like here at the Irving that's close to near Grand Falls. One more night in the truck. Really struggling at this point. That's fine. Like just down the road a little bit more. The road to Harbor Breton, where this thing is going, that's where that is. For now, I'm gonna take this off since it has to come off anyways, and I'd rather not drag it 3 hours. That should be good. Place your bets now as to whether or not this rig will start. And by the way, if any of you are curious, it seems like these straps, these tie downs, working very, very well. Harbor Breton. Harbor Breton. Whoa, that's a bridge. Oh, slow down. I think this is where the road gets rough. Oh dear. So much for having fun and joking around. I need some trailer brake in that one too. Oh yeah. Oh dear. Woo. Alright, stop turn now. Jacks are down, doors open. Oh, God, I hate this thing. Of course that doesn't work. I mean, I bought this thing used, but I can't believe they sold me it. Can't believe a PJ dealership would sell me a trailer like that. God damn. Alright, just like that, we are in Harbor Breton. It's actually pronounced Harbor Breton. Alright, we only had to make one U-turn. Alright, that's it. You guys see where like it stopped and then it went to the side a bit? Holy crap, that was a sketchiest thing I've ever seen. Was not okay with that. So I bought one of these packs of burgers here yesterday, and I ate one, and they're terrible. I don't know why they'd assume that you'd want two. Now I know. For the Maxwell. Come here. Just like that, we are back to the highway. Back to the main highway here. Now just to put the Cummins back on the trailer, and we should be good to go. Oh yeah, we got some onlookers. Guaranteed gonna need this. God damn, look at that. This thing is frickin' silly. Holy crap, look at it. It's like OSHA would not approve of me getting in and out of that truck without a harness. I thought it was ridiculous at first, but after a while of just seeing it, it's like, that's fucking nice.
Yeah, I do. It's a good stand, right?
It's still ridiculous, but...
Oh, it's nice for it, yeah.
Turn her this way a bit. Yeah, you're good. Holy shit! Yo! What? Son of a bitch! What a fluffy dog.
He's 10 years old now, Caleb.
Mine's 10 years old too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Get it in there.
It's fluffier in person. So I just throw them? Oh, this... Pretty good at it.
Hey, sit your bum down. Good boy. Oh yeah, you'll always catch him.
Oh my God. Two more.
Good catch.
Alright, just like that, the trailer is empty again. So we are here in St. John's now, got the truck dropped off the tractor. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was like one hell of a journey that I took you guys on. So super excited. Can't wait to get this edited now and for you guys. That is good to go. Hope you guys are staying safe at home and enjoying time with your families, you know? Not very often we get to do this kind of thing, so, you know, don't take it for granted. Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, you know what to do. If you like this, you know the stuff. Danger_Industries is my Instagram. Go follow that if you want. Some truck pictures. That's it for me. You guys have a good day.